Chris here, Martin Atkinson Specialist Fans. Recent part exchange to preview today. This one will be live on our website shortly. It's the Ford Transit Connect. It's the active model, so great specification on this one. Finished in magnetic grey metallic. It's the 1.5 diesel automatic gearbox. It's registered late 2023 on a 73 plate and just covered over 17,000 miles. Super colour magnetic grey metallic, really suits the vehicle, very popular. Just show you the bodywork, the condition. So lovely condition. Just the odd light stone chip on the bonnet which we've touched in. Cost done 17,000 miles, so it's not brand new. But again, for the mileage it is super. The active model has this skirt styling, so it's silver at the front and rear. Then it has the mouldings which run down the side of the vehicle, around the wheel arches. Show you that shortly. Front fog lamps. Comes with parking sensors, rear camera, all standard equipment. So as I mentioned, wheel arch mouldings. Has these diamond cut and black alloys. Mouldings down the side and the lower skirt to the rear wheel arch. Recently been serviced, so it's all ready to go. The silver detailing on the rear bumper as well. Parking sensors in there. Near side loading door, of course. I'll just take you around the front of the vehicle and into the driver's side. Okay, as I mentioned, great specification. Folding wing mirrors, multifunction steering with cruise control, infotainment which has your Bluetooth, hands-free, radio, etc. Dual climate control. Automatic gearbox. It's a 3-seat version, so 2 passenger, 1 driver. It's this lovely grey matching interior with the active symbol. The roof bars as well. Show you in the rear. Has a bulkhead rubber floor, crossbar doors, both open, interior light. There we go. Ford Transit Connect, magnetic grey, active model, 1.5 diesel automatic, 2373 registration, 17,000 miles, recent service, all ready for its next owner. If you require any further information, give myself Chris a call, 07888 989877. We'll be live on our website, www.martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. All's left to say is thank you very much for watching. Speak to you soon. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now.